Today our book is 6 New Countdown, second edition. And today our exercise is 3A and question number is 10. So our question number 10 is, give an example of a number which is divisible by 7 but not by 14. We have to give the number which divides with 7 but not with 14. So 21. This number is 21. Because 21 is divisible, comes in a table of 7, but 21 doesn't come in a table of 14. I hope you can understand it. Next is divisible by 5 but not by 15. 306. 306 is divisible by 5. No, 306 is a very huge number. So the number which is divisible with 5 but not by 15, this number is 20, because 20 comes in a table of 5 but not in a table of 15. Divisible by 3 but not by 6. The number which is divisible with 3 but not by 6 number is 9, because 9 is come in a table of 3 but not in a table of 6. Now move towards our next question. Test whether 6 is a divisor of 504, 306. We have to check if this 6 is divisible with 504 or not. Okay, so let's start it. Exercises 3A. Question number 11. Test whether 6 is a divisor of, number 1 is 504. So let's solve it. We have to divide 504 with 6. Okay, we have to divide 504 with 6. So 504 is 50 comes in a table of 6? No, 50 doesn't come. So a small value is 48. 6 8s are 48. If we can subtract both of these, the answer is 2 and 4. Is 25 comes in a table of 6? Yes, 6 4s are 24. So the remainder is 0. So 504 is divisor of 6. Now move towards our question number 2, which is 306. We have to divide 306 with 6. Okay. Is 30 comes in a table of 6? Yes. 6 5s are 30. If we can subtract both of these, the answer is 0 and then 6. And 6 1s are 6. So 306 is a divisor of 6. Now move towards question number 3, which is 4128. We also have to divide this number with 6. Is 41 comes in a table of 6? No. 6 6 are 36. 5 and 2. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So 6 is a divisor of 4, 1, 2, 8. Now we can see over questions. We have done question number 1, 2 and 3. You have to do question number 4 with your own help. Okay, you have to do question number 4 with your own help. We can do a question number 12 in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.